Okay guys, if you're a scooter rider, I've got something good for you, especially if you're riding an Xmax 300. Over the years I've had several of these bikes, and I find one thing's problem with the Xmax, and that is that they've got a really hard, choppy ride, especially when they hit bumps or ruts in the road. And it's sort of really one of those spine tinglers where it runs up through your spine after you hit it, and it's not really pleasant at all. Now, I'm not just singling out the Xmax. I've found it on the NMAX, I've found it on the Forza, and a few other the scooters I've had. So it's been the same problem with all. But I can't help on that line, but I can help now if you've got an Xmax and you're thinking, can I improve the ride quality? Well, you actually can, and if you check this bike out now, you'll see it's fitted now with the what they class as the deluxe or touring seat. And you can pick them up at Yamaha Direct for around about $400. Now, I'd highly recommend this seat. I've been testing it now over the last 50 to 100 kilometres. I had one on a previous bike 2 years back and thought they were pretty good then. And in actual fact, I thought they were better than the high-priced YSS shocks, which I felt did nothing. Now, it's not going to help your suspension for running around corners or anything like that, because after all, you've got to go shocks or suspension runs there. What it's going to actually do is, when you go out along the road and you ride along and you hit a bump, instead of that bump transferring right through the bike through really bad suspension and jarring you along the back, especially on a scooter because of the way you sit on that scooter compared to a motorcycle, you'll find if you get one of these comfort seats that you'll hit the bump, you'll feel that you've hit it, but it won't shock up through your spine area and give you the jolt that way. But compared to the stock seat, get onto one of these. If you've got a bike 24, 25, 26, tell them it's exactly that bike and that's the one you want. So you'll notice on this one, when I've opened it up, it's got two sort of prongs on it. Well, that's on the 24, 25, 6 floor pan. But if you go on to the earlier model, it hasn't got those ones. And what'll happen is you'll get the wrong seat by accident, and you'll go to try to close the seat and it won't close. So it's like that, or you're going to have to cut into it. So if you're going to pay $400 for one, which I highly recommend, they're a really good seat, make sure you get the right one, and I think you'll be really happy with it, because I'll be riding this a lot more now, because like I said, I've tested it now. Been out on it 3 times. I find it really good, and rather than go out and spend money or big money on a set of high-end shocks, try this one first for half the price, and then if you want, you can always go and get onto a cheaper set of shocks and put with it. Now, in the meantime, I'm just here doing this video for YouTube, and a couple of ladies come along, walking along the road, just having an afternoon walk, and I got there talking to them, and then their husbands arrived not long after, and I had a really long talk to them about cars, bikes, and any other crap I could think of that come through my head at the time. And after that, I was just talking about the drone, and I put it up and took a photo of us all, or a video of us all together right at the end here, and I said to them, did you want me to put it on my channel and you could have a bit of a look at the result of that drone? And they said yeah. So hopefully they come back to the channel, have a bit of a look and see what they think about it. The clip only runs it only does a 10-second clip each way, so there's no point in going up and back, but I just thought I'd whip that on it, and if they're there and they do come back and have a look, well, I'd just like to say I thoroughly enjoyed our talk, even though it went for probably half hour, 45 minutes. Okay guys, we're at the conclusion of the test now, and the big question is this touring seat or comfort seat well worth buying? Well, I'd definitely say yes. So it's a really good seat. Since this clip here, I've had that on 2 other roads, really rough roads around here, and I know the roads really well. So more importantly, when you hit rough jutted sections of ground, sure, you feel it run through the bike, but more importantly, you don't feel it run through your spine. So this seat for $400 Australian is well worth buying. I highly recommend it. If by chance you're running a bike now with better shocks on it, you can always leave a comment there, because if you had good shocks and this seat too, it would be virtually a perfect bike or a perfect scooter to ride. So I'm really impressed with it. And like I said, I was out even today and did another 50-kilometre run, and I was surprised how well it goes, because sometimes on the scooter prior to that, if I seen really bad areas come up, I would get off the seat and ride it that way. But today, never got off the seat once, and it was the same road. So once again, if you found this useful, thumbs up. Cheers, catch you later.